This is just a quick video to show you how easy it is to get BeeCastle set up and running. What you want to do is head to BeeCastle.com and then we'll click on Start for Free. From here we can either sign up with our Microsoft account, so all of our security policies are signed, but for this demo I'm just going to use an account. So put in our contact details, our basic contact information, a bit of information about our company, and now we get to connect Connectwise. We can either do this ourselves, or if we want to invite a tech to the team to do it for us, we can do that too. But we're going to do it ourselves. So the first thing we have to do is create a new security role within Connectwise. So let's jump over to our Connectwise account and set that up. Now that we're in Connectwise, the first thing we need to do is create a new security role for the new API member we're about to create. So let's go to System, and then Security Roles. We want to create a new one, and we'll call this BeeCastle Integration. Now we recommend following the principle of least privilege and only setting up the required fields for the integration. You can follow the full list of required fields on the website at help.beecastle.com. Once you've set up all the required permissions, we can save this and go ahead and create our new API member. To create a new API member, we want to head to System and then Members. From here, we want to go to API Members, and then we'll create a new one. Once you've filled out the relevant information, make sure you change the role ID to that new security role we just made. From there, we can save this, and then we can head to API keys. From here, we'll click the plus to make a new API key, write a description, we'll call it the integration, save that, and now you have your public and private key. Now make sure you write this down or copy it because we're going to use it in just a minute. Now that we've created a new security role, we've created our API member, and we've got our public and private key, let's jump back over to BeeCastle and chuck in the details. From here, we want to submit our Connectwise data. So we'll pick our integration type, which is cloud in this case. We'll enter our region, which is Oz, our company name, our public and private key, and any internal email domains that you don't want BeeCastle tracking. So typically this is going to be your main domain name. Once you've clicked on Submit Integration, that will send it to our tech team and we'll kick off the sync straight away. Usually it takes 24 to 48 hours, but in the meantime what we can do is set up assigned accounts. Now typically most MSPs use the account manager field in Connectwise to assign accounts to their reps, but you can also use sales rep or territory if you prefer to as well. If you do use account manager, you can click on Save Preferences, and that's pretty much it. We'll check that the API member is set up correctly with the right permissions, and then we'll sync your data over the next 24 to 48 hours. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to email help@beecastle.com, or feel free to jump on the live chat on the website and we'll help you out from there.